Hi, welcome to Incubate Hub. I'm Sean, and I'll be showing you how you can post your problem statements and use cases and discover innovative solution providers across the globe who are the perfect fit. Through our configurable StageGate workflow feature, you can also run multiple innovation programs and hackathons and shortlist applicants with ease. Send email notifications for all your programs, use cases, and problem statements using our platform through your own email domain. A completely white label website can be set up with our subdomain or your own corporate domain with the option of hosting the database on your own servers for complete data security. Let's dive in and take you through this journey with us. To begin, register your organization for a free trial. Once an Incubate Hub moderator accepts your trial request, you will receive an email granting you organization manager rights for your organization page on Incubate Hub. Click on Accept and get started to begin. To make things easier, you can also invite other members of your organization to collaborate with you in the onboarding process. To begin, let's learn more about your potential audience. Fill the following form to bring up a live count of your potential audience size. Select your focus groups, domain, technology, industries, location, and much more in the fields given below. This step of research helps you better understand the different types of prospects that you can target. Based on your selections, you will be able to see 4 types of prospects. They are best fit, who are those prospects which are highly relevant for you; proactive prospects, who are those prospects who are still relevant for you but lesser than best fit due to their level of activity on our platform; live prospects, who are those prospects with high response rates; and finally, other prospects, who are those prospects with moderate response rates but are still a great choice for your campaigns. Once done, click on Confirm and Proceed. In this next tab, you will have to fill up your organization's details. The tagline and the page summary are the most important here because this is visible in your emails, user dashboards, and when you share your organization page's link through social platforms. Make your audience feel more welcome and connected with you by sending out a customized email when they register on your organization page. Check all the fields again and then just hit on Save and Publish. Post problem statements, use cases, innovation programs, and even hackathons for your focus groups. With our StageGate workflow feature, you can automate the shortlisting and selection process in your programs. An easy to fill form is presented to you. After filling up a couple of fields, you're done. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking on Update Program. You can add more programs using the form below. Get an engaging conversation started with your community by uploading interesting posts, videos, case studies, presentations, and more. More posts and updates can be added through this form below. Host community meetups, online showcases, reverse pitches, and any other kind of events using our platform. Both online and offline events can be set up. Pandemic or not, we've got you covered. More events can be added through this form below. In the summary report, you will see everything that you've added during the onboarding process along with key details. Want to go back and edit some of these details? No problem. Click on the Preview and Edit button next to any program, post an update or event, and this will take you directly to the respective section where you can apply any changes. Before proceeding further, I'd also like to mention that with the help of our intuitive user interface, you can finish up the entire onboarding process through a mobile device too. When ready, publish your programs, posts and updates, and events. Now, you're almost ready to go live. Click on the Go Live button and browse this quick checklist to configure your page with extra functionality. Once done, click on Go Live in the window. Just sit back and relax while we notify your best fit prospects and check for their interest. Meanwhile, you can run blast campaigns to target more prospects. Click on Yes to take you to the blast dashboard. If you'd like to run blast campaigns some other time, click on Maybe Later. Run blast campaigns for all your published programs, posts and updates, and events directly from one window. The blast campaign dashboard can be accessed by clicking the button at the bottom right-hand corner of your organization page. Before running blast campaigns for your programs, you will need to complete a checklist that is essential for their smooth running. Here, you can automate your program's application and shortlisting process using our in-house StageGate workflow system. You can also customize the notification and the judging or mentoring related settings easily. Now, there's less for you to worry about. Let our platform handle the heavy lifting. Once that's done, you can run Blast campaigns for the program. This is the window you'll see after clicking on Blast Now in the campaign dashboard. Use keywords like designation, company name, function, industry, domain, or technology to generate lists of your ideal customer personas. Filters can also be used along with keywords to further refine your search results. As mentioned in the research segment earlier in the video, there are 4 types of prospects that you can send Blast campaigns to. These are the best fit, proactive prospects, live prospects, and finally, other prospects. Do note, only one of the 4 lists can be sent emails in one blast, so you'll have to effectively send out 4 blast emails individually. Naturally, the quality of your emails will affect the level of response that you will receive. Follow the tips given on top of the window and draft customized email for your prospects. And then just click Blast. It's that simple. All your efforts have paid off, and now you're seeing good interaction and results on your programs. You can track all your applications by clicking on the View Applications button. You will be redirected to a screen that looks like this. From here, you can perform actions such as accept, reject, hold applications, and even move applications manually to another stage in your application workflow. You can also send emails and chat with the applicants from here. Not doing the screening and scrutiny process yourself? Not a problem. You can also invite program managers, jurors, and mentors who can perform these tasks and even more actions such as allocation, ratings, and feedbacks to facilitate your application process. At the cost of building a website, you can now create and manage a completely white label portal with an attractive microsite designed specifically for your requirements. Now that we've got you prepped up, let's get you started on your journey with us. Head on over to our website and register for your free trial today. I look forward to seeing you active on our Open Innovation platform.